we're down here at Dresser, our winter run, which isn't much of a winter run right now, but this place is packed. Well, we might have got our first call. We aren't even checked in yet. We might have got our first call. This time we got to go to Devil's Delight. Some diesel is down with hydraulic steering problems. Well, we found them. They're right behind us, and we'll see if we can get over there.
What happened to it? Oh.
You don't need that attached, right?
No, not at all. That's all good.
Eric, did you know your hydraulic ram's supposed to stay attached to your axle?
Is it? Yeah, I found that out today.
Not you, bud. That Eric.
Oh, that Eric.
He's more important than you.
Yeah, that would be good.
It's about time you're big enough, Abby, to start doing that.
You just hook the axle there inside the... No, I'll do it from the top. We gotta call up the truck here. There.
Bring your chain up here. Grab here. Take your slack out. Lock it there. Yep, just let it dangle. Look at that, another generation of Huttner hooking up chains. See how you have a little bit of slack in it?
Yeah.
Go pull your chain just a little tighter. Lift it up. One more link.
Eric, you're making it really hard to get in my truck.
Good thing there's a bank over there. Go climb in.
Yeah, I know, I got a bank.
You can have the Dukes of Hazzard in.
Okay. Well, go ahead and get in and throw it in neutral.
We'll go for a ride.
Yeah.
Just like last time.
Follow me.
Yeah, okay. Really close?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, well, we got it on the hook. We'll see if we can get it out of the woods. Well, we got him on the hook now, and he's following. Oh, it's just my starter doesn't want to engage.
Hey Eric, what's that on the ground there?
Well, that's the starter for the wrecker. See, we were crawling through the woods here and it stalled out on us. And unfortunately, now it won't restart. We have a few chipped teeth on the flywheel and a few chipped teeth on the starter. So hopefully we can put a starter in it and we can get it started again.
Couple tugs, so go ahead and start. Yep. Okay, here we go.
Okay.
All right. Now,
Got it?
the adapter is yours, the socket is theirs.
Okay.
And hand
Yep.
me,
Hold the starter.
I got it. Should be a 11/16 socket out. That's 9/16. Maybe there isn't. Maybe I put it back. It's too small.
That's half.
Bigger than the green one. Bigger than the green one.
Bigger than
Yeah.
you are right.
Uncle Blake,
Why?
I didn't put any of the cables I put down up because I figured I'd be going out the same way again, probably. So,
Well, we're going out that way.
yeah. So, that was the one crossing into White Canada and then one to the exit.
Come on, Blake.
Wrong way.
Thank you, Eric. You're a good dad.
Okay. Should be good. Take that. All right, here you go. Okay, well, the old one was a little chewed up, flywheel's a little chewed up. With a new starter, I hope it'll start. Oh, okay. So we gotta come back in for him?
Yep. Yeah.
All right.
He's
Well,
a Ford, and he broke his steering.
okay.
I had a valve body or something go.
All right. All right. get him out and on the trailer and we'll come back and get you.
Sounds good.
Okay. Well, that was enough to make it start. Actually sounded pretty good. So hopefully we'll make it through the rest of the day.
Do that there. Oh, and the places near Will definitely could have done. Yeah. I think the trail's up there. Well, it got so bad, like people with flashlights kind of walk in front of me. Yeah. Find those little lines. Yeah. Oh yeah, the little white line. Yeah. Like this way, yeah.
I got it. What, honey?
You put it somewhere magical and now I can't find it.
Oh, I don't know where I put it. Just playing somewhere with it. Alright. Alright, Abs, get in front of us.
Alright, so long story short, I hit the oil filter, leaked all the oil out. Ran the fucking engine too.
Brand new engine. How
Well,
long
luckily
did
I
it
didn't
run?
overheat or anything. It started
Well,
making a noise, so we were like, what's that noise? And then I saw no oil pressure.
All right, Blake, give us an update where we're at.
Well, apparently our new axle is giving us fit. We seem to not be able to get ours into four-wheel drive now. And that's the one we just replaced. So we got this guy's gonna give us a tug around the corner while we pull Fritchie.
I got a 30-foot strap that I can just hook here.
So the truck's broken. We broke the hydraulics. We broke the rope for the boom winch, and it isn't running worth a darn. I had to get pulled up a couple of the hills. And the problem is there's another truck out there just like this one, only it's not as heavy, it's not a diesel, and it's got broken steering, just like this one. Question is, do we go get it or not?